into a realm where opulence meets innovation. Embark on a visual journey that unveils the allure of contemporary American style through an enchanting living room interior design nestled within an upper-middle-class haven in the vibrant city of Los Angeles. Immerse yourself in the symphony of modern aesthetics intertwined with the charm that defines American living. This design harmonizes sleek furniture with clean lines, resulting in a seamless blend of elegance and comfort. As you step in, you'll be greeted by a spacious and inviting seating area that sets the tone for luxurious living. Plush sofas beckon you to unwind, while trendy coffee tables serve as both functional and artistic focal points. The wall art captivates the eye, adding personality and character to the space. Every element has been thoughtfully curated, transforming the living room into a work of art. Tasteful lighting fixtures lend a touch of sophistication, casting a warm glow that enhances the ambience. Vibrant accents inject life and vibrancy, reflecting the dynamic spirit of contemporary American living. This living room exudes an atmosphere of refinement and allure, reflecting the epitome of modern luxury. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this mesmerizing design, uncovering the secrets behind its creation. Whether you're an enthusiast of interior design, an aspirational homeowner, or simply captivated by the fusion of luxury and creativity, this video promises insights into the essence of contemporary American living. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning design revelations.